Give it its last. So elevator, right, left, left, up, down. Make sure. So the reason I think this way is the computer on because it limits the controls, and this way it should be off. Should be. Now just to test 100%, hold it, and then if you move it, the computer should control. See how the computer's compensating?
Oh, okay. So that's the safety mode.
Yeah. So that's the it's the autopilot basically.
Oh, okay.
But I don't like it. Okay. So clear, left, right. Okay, so half throttle. Let's start trimming. No cars are coming in, right?
No. That's the vortex from the skydive thing. Oh no, it's a pump. Figure it out.
So kind of, remember I was teaching one guy, he goes, oh, how come you have to always keep trimming? So once you trim for a speed, if you lower the speed, then you have to re-trim again. And it also depends on the plane. A really nice plane you won't have to trim again.
So on the safety mode though, would it automatically trim itself?
No. Okay, let's go high and let's turn on the autopilot and see what happens. Autopilot on. Okay, now we have the autopilot on. And see how slow it turns? Which is good and bad. In an emergency, the autopilot will crash because it won't turn us, and then it won't let you go up or down. That's full down, that's full up. See?
So that would be perfect for like lightning. Or not?
Yeah, unless a gust of wind hits you, then you need full. Then you need to. So you just have to be ready to turn off the autopilot. You got more batteries, right?
Yeah.
So if I want to do some systems, we'll do a loop. Full power, pull up, put the power.
Oh, you cut the power you do it.
Yeah. Well, this plane's
At the
fine.
high point?
Yeah, because some planes you can break the wings off. This is pretty strong, but.
It's definitely quieter than yours. Oh yeah. White screen. Yeah.
Ooh.
Nice.
I won't try that and simulate shadows into 100 pieces of time I'll do it. Oh yeah, and another thing, I don't know the battery, but usually you put 4 or 5 minutes on a timer, and you just fly it, and then after 4 or 5 minutes, you test the battery, see the voltage, and I can do another minute and go 6 minutes.
You guys pick up another battery monitor?
No, not yet. Oh, monitor
Okay,
now.
yeah.
We still have yours.
I give them a battery monitor so they can check the voltage.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I just